Good morning, my dear children. I am here again to teach you the subject math. So open your math book, page number 54. Put beads on the abacus and then add. So we'll do addition only by putting beads on the abacus, means these beads. Okay, one example has already been shown here. So let's see. Now in ones place we have 5 and 4. 5 ones and 4 ones. Now see, according to this number we have to put beads. Okay, 5 ones. So in ones place, see how many beads is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. 5 ones. So we have put here 5 beads. Now below 5 we have 4. So we'll put now 4 beads in this abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we'll see tens one. In tens we have 4 tens and 3 tens. So in tens place we'll now put beads 4 tens. So we'll put 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now below 4 we have 3 tens. So we'll put now 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So according to this number we'll put beads here. Okay. Ones place, in ones place, and tens place, tens place. Now see, 4 tens plus 5 ones. 4 tens plus 5 ones. 3 tens plus 4 ones. 3 tens plus 4 ones. So now we'll add 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So 9 ones, and in tens 4 tens plus 3 tens equals to 7 tens. So 7 tens plus 9 ones equals to 79. Okay. Now in this way only we will do this other work also. Okay. So now let's see number 2. In ones place we have 5 and 4. 5 and 4. So now we'll put beads in this abacus. Okay. 5 and 4. So first we'll make 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now below 5 we have 4. So now again we'll put 4 beads. Just keep some gap and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once it is completed, so now come to tens place. In tens we have 2 and 3. We have 2 and 3. So in tens place, now we'll put beads according to this number. So first we'll put 2 beads. 1, 2. Now below 2 we have 3. So we'll put 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 5 and 4. So 5 beads, 4 beads. In tens place we have 2 and 3. 2 beads, 3 beads. Now see, 2 tens plus 5 ones. 2 tens plus 5 ones. 3 tens plus 4 ones. 3 tens plus 4 ones. Now we'll do addition. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 9 ones. Here 2 tens plus 3 tens equals to 5. So 5 tens plus 9 ones. 5 tens plus 9 ones, which is equals to 59. Okay. Now again we will do this number 3. See, in ones place we have 1 and 4. In ones place we have 1 and 4. Now we will put beads in ones place according to this number. So 1 beads according to this number. Okay. And below 1 we have 4. So keep some gap and make 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now once it is completed, now come to tens place. In tens we have 6 and 1. 6 and 1. So now come to tens place. So we'll make beads now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And below 6 we have 1. So keep some gap and we'll put here 1 beads. Now come at this side. Now 6 tens plus 1 ones, 1 tens plus 4 ones, 1 tens plus 4 ones. So now we'll do add. Now 1 plus 4 equals to 5 ones. 6 plus 1, 7 tens. So 7 tens plus 5 ones equals to 75. 75. So I hope you have understood how to do this. So please, my dear children, do this work in your book itself. Again, come to page number 55. We have the same thing to do here also. Put beads on the abacus and then add. In this way you will be doing this also. Okay, so both are same. So your today's work is to write this work in your book itself. Okay, I am giving you the work from page number 54 and 55. You will do this work in your book itself. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.